Here I have ALCATEL U3, and today I'm going to show you how to set camera timer on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then you have to go to its settings by tapping on the gear icon, then go to the camera section, and here you have timer. You can set it on 2 or on 10 seconds. Let's set it on 2 and try to make a photo. And as you can see, timer worked. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.